All right, here we go, guys. Break 181. We got a 13-14 Ultimate Collection box break. Start off by showing Winnipeg. Last team for auction. Winnipeg Jets. Break 181. Ultimate Collection. Ended. Focus. March 26, 7:48 Eastern Daytime. Doesn't want to focus, but you can still see it. Serial number NE 22 11 61 182. So, thanks a lot for joining, guys. I wish you the best of luck. And let's pull some nice cards. Base out of 499 for Detroit, Pavel Datsyuk. Rookie out of 499 for the Jets, Zach Redman. Out of 499. Ultimate Rookie Patch Auto number 225 for the Anaheim Ducks, Victor Fast. Victor Fast. Rookie Patch Auto 225 for the Ducks. And a quad jersey rookie out of 75 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Alex Killorn and Tyler Johnson. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. And check out our website for Ultimate Case Break, Friday night, 7 p.m. Eastern Daytime. Peace.